People are shocked and feeling sorry for Gogo Skhotheni after saying this to Promise Makunyane, ziyakhala. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story today. You know the rules of the house. Somebody, peace and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Guys, we all know that there was a drama between Promise Makunyane and the life coach. So yesterday, Promise Makunyane posted a picture of herself appreciating her man, saying, "My man, that, my man, that, my man, that." You know that audio. I love my man, you know, that type of audio. So under the comment section, Gogo Skhotheni went on to expose herself, and people are still even shocked even now. She went on to say that, "Embrace him, baby. I used to do the same thing even after my divorce. I don't regret doing it. Love is a beautiful thing. No matter what, I will still do my man that, my man this." You know that code, my man that, my man this. So people were really shocked with Gogo Skhotheni. People went on to say that, "Sorry for the divorce. I thought it's a lie. Are you divorced, Gogo? Kanti taba tsa divorce is serious." So people were really not surprised. So and this thing of saying Umonde and Gogo Skhotheni are no longer together, it is a real thing. So yes, guy, Gogo Skhotheni is no longer dating. He's no longer with his husband. They went separate ways, she confirmed. Even if you go to the account, you can tell that is Gogo Skhotheni's real account, guys. And people were really saying that at least Gogo Skhotheni, she's not this bitter divorcee women, because most of the time these divorcee women, they will come for a married woman like Promise, especially the fact that Promise love her husband loud, and people are not happy with that, because they're saying that how can you love a man who's treating you like nothing? And we are not sure that if Promises she's not being treated like a princess, because she has never said anything. The only thing she once said, she said that, "I will never leave my man for a cheating." She didn't say that her husband is still cheating. She just said that, and still people assume that her husband is still cheating. There were ladies that are saying that they will expose a husband like a Promise. If you really want to expose him, you would have exposed him a long time ago, guys. There's no need for you to say that threatening a married woman just because she love her husband loud, guys. Jealous down. It is Women's Month. Let's just love each other and support each other. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. I love you more than your men love you. Yo, guys, I love you. How? Anyway, guys.